Our main focus point on InvestTalk today were about the 3 trickiest decisions most retirees must face when they are laying out a plan. This is something we help clients with all the time. And the 3 main ones are how much you should withdraw each year, long-term care insurance, and then should you buy an annuity? Now, the first one is probably the most complex because it depends on when you retire, what expected returns you should get from equities and bonds, how long you would live, what inflation will be. And overall, it's unknowable, but you can take educated guesses based on, when your family, how long your family has lived, what your health situation is like, when you're retiring, what the backdrop of the economy is from an inflation perspective. Like right now, inflation is probably going to be relatively elevated from what we were used to over the past few decades going forward. So you have to think about those things. And, older retirees, they can withdraw more than younger retirees. And most retirees have some sort of other type of income. So how much do you have of Social Security, annuities, rental income, etc.? Something that we work out with clients. Now, the long-term care side, a lot of insurers have been exiting the market. And so it makes it more complex. So now you have to add it typically as a rider on top of a annuity, hopefully a fixed annuity. And then, or maybe something like life insurance, hopefully term life. Okay, so that's probably the best way to gain access, but the best way is actually self-insure. You have enough money to do it on your own. This comes back to planning, laying out a plan for the next 20, 30, 40, 50 years. And then lastly, should you buy an annuity? The simple fact is that most people buy the wrong annuities. They buy a variable annuity of some type. They buy a whole life or universal life. When in reality, if you want annuity, an annuity is ideally fixed and it covers your guaranteed income and your guaranteed needs for income and beyond just Social Security. So some people might not get enough from Social Security and they might need more on the annuity side. And that certainly can be something that makes sense for the average person, but everyone's a little bit different.